Greetings, it's the Dreadlock Wonder, and I'm going to show you how to remove stock clothing tags, such as these, and apply your own tags. Shout out to the fucking league. The takeover has been initiated. So what you're gonna need is a seam ripper, scissors, and a sewing machine, or thread if you don't have a sewing machine. So I'm just gonna tuck this bad boy under there like that. Give it a little push. Then this, you wanna be careful because these were serged. That's what all of this is. And when you take these threads out, you're gonna be undoing the pant. So you just wanna be careful. You don't wanna create any holes. So see, like, now the tag is out, but you have a hole. So what you do to fix that hole is you put your machine in a zigzag stitch, or if you have a serger, you can use that as well. I have my width at 6 and my length of stitch at 1. So you want it nice and tight. Pause. Then put your bad boy in there. Always start with a back stitch. And then just sew down. End with a back stitch as well. Cut that. Now, for the label. Grab your label. Put good side to good side. And the way I'm doing it, it's gonna look like this. Without the stitch, of course, the extra thread. So, if that's how you're sewing your tags in, face down and technically upside down, because this is the top and that's the bottom. So face down and upside down. Center it. Make sure you put your stitch back in this, needle back in the center. Back stitch always. And then this tag has like a little faint line, and I just follow that so you get nice and straight. And with a back stitch, lift up. You can cut that, but I do it the lazy way. So now fold it back over, and then just so it lays flat, I put a small top stitch about that long, back and forth. Twice should do it. Same thing on the other side. And then you are done. Well, done sewing. So now, take your scissors. Boop. Do the front. Nice and careful. If you don't want to cut your tag you just sewed, that would be tragic. You're off camera, Aaron. Goodbye. And that, ladies and gentlemen, so your back is nice and clean, your front is nice and clean, and now you got your own tags. Doses.